How does AI changes the way we work with Power Automate or Dynamics 365 or everything else? ChatGPT or Gemini, whatever you choose, can tell you whatever you need in order to create your flows or your customizations. You just need to understand what to ask him. You just need to know what to ask him. For example, in the Power Automate course, you will learn that different kind of triggers, different kind of columns updates. For example, we update differently a lookup attribute than a choice attribute. Here in the course, you have everything you need to know. And then later on, you can ask the AI how to do it. And I'll give you an example. I have an Excel file where I need to extract the color from the description. How will I do it? Before AI, it would take me an hour to find the dash and take after that whatever is, and take the color after that until the backslash. Now with AI, I just copy the text, go to ChatGPT or Gemini, whatever you prefer, and I'll write here extract from text. Here I'll put the text. No, it's better. Here I'll put the text, and I'll write here create a formula for cell D2, for example. And I get the formula. Text after, let's put it in my Excel sheet, and I get here the color. I just need to know what to ask the AI. In this course, it is very organized. All the main issues you need to know about Power Automate and Dynamics 365. And after the course, all you need to do is split it into small pieces, the tasks that you have, and work with AI. He will tell you how to do it. Of course, you must do the exercises, you must open a trial, you must practice. Otherwise, just the knowledge without the practice will not do anything. So good luck, I hope you enjoy it, and together with AI, you can become an expert within just 24 hours.